Hi guys, we got a flash sale from Norwex, and this one is particularly buzzworthy for all my ladies. It is time to pamper ourselves this Mother's Day weekend. This flash sale runs for 72 hours. It ends on May 9th at noon Central Time. It includes 3 amazing options, and you can snag one or all of them. So first up, we have our limited edition hair wrap in graphite, which I am wearing. So when I think about drying my hair, I feel like that's a chore. It's time consuming, especially when I'm in a hurry in the morning. And over drying our hair, like rushing with the hair dryer, can cause our hair to lose luster, form brittle split ends, and even a lot of breakage. Plus, every minute that we use our blow dryer, it increases our utility bill. So this is easy to use. After washing your hair, you just wrap it in the hair wrap. It's made of super absorbent, ultra soft Norwex antibacterial microfiber. And in just 10 minutes, it absorbs almost 75% of the water in our hair. Saves us time and saves us money, and less blow drying means less damage to our hair. The hair dries more quickly with less products and brushing and things like that. You're just going to love it. It also has our silver in it, which is our back lock. It offers continuous protection against microbes and odors within the cloth and makes it mildew resistant, keeping it fresher longer. And the flash sale on the hair wrap is only $23.99. How awesome. Now, next up, I'm also wearing is our matching limited edition spa wrap in graphite. It is fantastic. It's lightweight, soft, luxurious, not hot at all. It's made of the super absorbent Norwex microfiber. The strong elastic and Velcro gives us an adjustable fit, right? So it secures super snug. Plus, it dries quickly, so it's always ready when we are. I like to wear it after a shower, in the steam room, as a beach or pool cover-up. It works fantastic, and even when I'm just relaxing. So to use it, it's easy. You just place it under the armpits, and the length should hit right at your knee. It's sized to fit any body, shape, or size, and it has a handy loop on the back to hang it on the back of your bathroom door. Awesome. It contains our back lock technology as well, so it has that silver in it, and it's on flash sale for $53.99. So the last of the 3 items is our Lysair shampoo and conditioner. So it's really important to use clean ingredients in our hair products, especially when we think about all those toxins and our scalp being so close to our brains. So there were I used to use all the things, right? There were a ton of sulfates in my previous shampoo and conditioner. And honestly, sulfates are probably one of the most commonly used shampoo ingredients because they're super inexpensive for manufacturers. And they create a chemical reaction which creates that lather. And it's actually one of the big things you really want to avoid. They wreak havoc on your hair shaft, hair follicle, and scalp. They cause a lot of problems too, like scalp dryness, irritation, fade your hair color, and even hair loss. So my previous products were pretty bad. They also contained paraben, which is a common preservative used to extend the shelf life. And parabens are endocrine disruptors, which means they're hormone disruptors and hormone mimics. In fact, they mimic the body's estrogen, leading the body to believe estrogen levels are at a certain level, and then they decrease the body's accurate estrogen level. So it causes all sorts of hormone issues. Other products I used also contained a lot of fragrance formulas, and this is bad because fragrance formulas are protected under federal law as trade secrets, and manufacturers don't have to disclose what they're using. So they can actually combine over 3,000 stock chemicals, including hormone disruptors, allergens, and phthalates. So the Lysair shampoo is awesome. It contains juniper and sea buckthorn. It's formulated for all hair types, gentle enough for everyday use, no harmful chemicals, and it's so much better than any salon or store brand I've ever used. It contains plant-based ingredients, certified organic ingredients, and an amazing essential oil blend that scents it. The organic antioxidant complex has juniper, sea buckthorn, red algae, which are nutrient-rich ingredients packed with vitamins, minerals, fatty acids to help support hair health while restoring hydration. It also contains provitamin B, which helps hair retain the moisture, and it's free of all that harmful stuff I talked about, like SLS, SLES, synthetic dyes, fragrances, phthalates, parabens. I mean, the list is so long. Formaldehyde even. It provides softness and smoothness with shine, and it cleanses the hair without stripping or dyeing it, so it's super safe for color-treated hair and processed hair. Now, the Nourishing Conditioner moisturizes, it helps detangle hair and improves manageability without weighing the hair down. It smooths and softens the hair's cuticles, and it seals in the moisture, promoting healthy, shiny hair. It also contains plant-based ingredients, organic ingredients, makes it super gentle and perfect for all hair types. As I mentioned, the conditioner is USDA certified. It has 78% bio-based content from plants and renewable resources. It also has our Nordic antioxidant complex, which helps keep the hair healthy looking, which is a combination of that juniper, sea buckthorn, red algae, and it's packed with a lot of fatty acids and vitamins and minerals as well for overall hair health while restoring hydration. It has shea and mango butters, which help to moisturize the hair and leave it super soft and sleek. And glyceride helps retain the moisture of our hair, and it smooths the split ends out. It also has a really awesome ingredient, clary sage oil, which promotes strength and shine. You can get the Nourishing Hair Care Set for $10 off on the flash sale. You can snag both for $39.99. Now, these flash sale items are awesome, but they do pair perfectly with our this month's spend and get deals. You can add this limited edition body and face cloth set for only $5 if your order reaches $85. And also the limited edition facial scrub mitt for $5 if your order reaches $99. And the back scrubber, which we love, for $10 if your order reaches $110. Now, the body and face cloths are fantastic. You simply get them wet and they cleanse the body and face, removing excess oils, environmental pollutants, and up to 99% of bacteria. I love how well the body cloths clean, and they've saved me a ton of money compared to my previous products that were expensive and contained a ton of toxic ingredients. And I also hated that oily based makeup remover, so I don't have to get that anymore. And it clogged my pores, it dried out my skin, especially around my eyes. The facial scrub mitt is great to use 2 to 3 times a week. It gently exfoliates. On the scrubbier side, it gently exfoliates and sloughs off the dead skin cells, revealing a smoother, softer skin tone. And it actually improves the health of the skin. Now, the back scrubber is great. My husband really loves this one. It is perfect for hard to reach areas like the back or even the bottom of the feet. And it has a body cloth material on one side and then an exfoliating side. So it also removes up to 99% of bacteria from the body. And then you can use the exfoliating side to get a deeper clean, sloughing away those dead skin cells. So I hope you love our amazing flash sales, perfect to pamper yourself, or if you're watching this and you want to pamper someone else, these are perfect items. So let me know if you have any questions, comment below, and I hope you have an amazing Mother's Day weekend. Take care.